Howdy, y'all. As you can see with this one, I kind of went Bob Ross with it. This is just me playing around more in Procreate and learning brushes and layers, and I just really went for it on this one. I'm real proud of how it turned out, because a lot of things were just by accident, and I found myself just going, ooh, I'm Bob Rossin'. What a happy little accident that was. Because, like, I downloaded some brushes, and a few of them were, like, nature textures. So I found this brush that was, like, supposed to mimic water waves, and went crazy with it there on the water, and it just looked so awesome. So, yeah, this was fun. Originally, I pictured this as a green dragon, but as I was painting it, I was just like, I've not done a red dragon, I think, ever. So, pondered it out, and then I was just like, ooh, wings are translucent. It'll glow through. You know? So, I was really having a moment while painting this. Just, because Procreate's so fun. It's just, I love it. You just make your layers, and you color them. I could go into more depth, but I don't know if you guys are here for that. If you would like me to do more tutorial style videos, feel free to suggest it, because, like, as it stands, I don't feel like I can do a tutorial for this program, being new to it myself, but I can try to tell you how I accomplished things, I suppose. Here I'm just getting the glow set on the dragon and the shine coming through the wings, and trying to figure out how I want to light the thing. I just imagine just how the sun was positioned, and you would see the glow in that way. But even if it isn't, it doesn't matter. Art's supposed to be fun. I just love how this thing turned out. I discovered this really fun fog brush today, and I really like how in the bottom corner the fog accidentally made a skull shape, and that was like the happiest accident of this whole project here. Like, it was just so fun teaching myself how to do some stuff. I'm not happy with my northern lights. Like, I feel like they could have been better, but that's all I could really accomplish with them. And I don't know how I feel about this moon. I like it, but it kind of reminds me of those spray paintings. So I'm not sure about it. But yeah, Procreate's a blast, y'all. If you have an iPad, just download it and play with it. It's a blast. There's some really great YouTube tutorials, and if you want, I'll post a link to one. Just get it. It's so fun. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, and this is how long it took. Alright, bye.